how much should you actually spend on a wall-hung toilet? People are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Beskar Foot Massager Roller. The Beskar Foot Massager Roller caught my eye immediately with its simple design and affordable price of just $9.99. If you want a quick way to soothe your aching feet, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this little roller is a must-have for anyone dealing with plantar fasciitis. First off, it's specifically designed to relieve foot pain through deep tissue acupressure. That means it targets those aching arches and heels directly, which is crucial if you're struggling with soreness. You can roll it out anywhere, making it super convenient after a long day on your feet. Plus, the compact size means you can toss it in your bag and use it at home or even at work. And it's lightweight, weighing only 4 ounces. You won't even notice it's there. Now, some people complain that it might not provide enough pressure for those who need intense relief. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for a bit of comfort and relaxation after a tough day, it's probably not a deal breaker. Just adjust the pressure as you roll and you should be fine. This is perfect for you if you want something portable to help relieve foot pain during your daily routine. Skip this one if you need a product that offers intense massage options. At this price point, it's a great value for the relief it provides. Now, if the need for deep tissue relief isn't exactly what you're after, the next product on my list offers something a bit different.
Product number 2, Dr. Scholl's Arch Support Sleeve. We have the Dr. Scholl's Plantar Fasciitis and Achy Feet Relief Arch Support Sleeve. It's an innovative solution that caught my attention, especially since it's designed for all-day wear. Plus, it's a go-to for many who want pain relief without bulky shoes. What's great about this sleeve is its clinically proven design that delivers 68% pain relief in just 3 days. Imagine waking up in the morning feeling less pain. That's a game changer. The breathable and lightweight material means you can wear it day and night without feeling constrained. Just slide it on and go about your day, whether that's at work or even while you sleep. It's like having a custom orthotic without the hefty price tag. But here's something to note. Some users mentioned that it can feel a bit too tight, especially if you have larger feet. Now, I get it. If comfort is your priority, that could be an issue. However, if you can adjust the fit properly, it should still work well for you. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight solution that doesn't restrict movement. Skip this one if you prefer more traditional shoes for your foot issues. For what you get, it's a solid investment for daily relief. All right, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer something more casual.
Product number 3, HKR Women's Walking Shoes. The HKR Women's Walking Shoes are next, and they really caught my eye for their stylish design and practical features. Priced at $38.89, they strike a balance between affordability and quality. If you want something that combines fashion with comfort, this is worth a serious look. These shoes come with a stretchable fabric upper that allows your feet to breathe, which is perfect if you're on your feet all day. They're also designed with arch support and memory foam to help alleviate heel pain, specifically targeting issues like plantar fasciitis. The durable rubber sole ensures good traction, meaning you can wear them on various terrains without fear of slipping. Plus, the elastic slip-on design makes them super easy to get on and off, a real time saver. Some customers mentioned that they felt the shoes ran a bit small, which can be frustrating. However, I think if you order half a size up, it shouldn't be an issue. Many users rave about how comfortable they feel once you get the sizing right. This is perfect for you if you're looking for stylish shoes that can handle daily wear. Skip this one if you need shoes specifically designed for formal occasions. Honestly, for the price, they deliver great comfort and style. Now, if you're looking for something even more versatile, the next product might be right up your alley.
Product number 4, STQ Women's Lace-Up Loafers. We have the STQ Women's Lace-Up Loafers. These are priced at $35.99 and boast a casual yet stylish look. If you want something that feels light and comfortable, these might catch your interest. What sets these loafers apart is their ultra-lightweight design. Weighing less than 5 ounces, they won't tire you out even after a long day. They also feature removable arch support insoles, which can be a game changer for anyone dealing with foot pain. The dynamic shock absorption helps reduce the impact on your joints, making walking a breeze. Plus, they're versatile enough for both casual and slightly dressy occasions, so you won't feel out of place. However, some reviews pointed out that the cushioning could be improved for longer wear. Here's the thing though, these shoes are perfect for shorter outings and daily errands. If you're on your feet for extended periods, you might want to consider an insole upgrade. This is perfect for you if you need lightweight shoes for casual outings. Skip this one if you plan on wearing them during long shifts as your only footwear. For the price, they offer a stylish option without breaking the bank. Now, if you're more into casual footwear for relaxation, you'll want to check out the next product.
Product number 5, Quailu Women's Recovery Sandals. Let's talk about the Quailu Women's Recovery Sandals. Priced at $32.99, they are designed for post-exercise recovery, but can be worn all day. If you want something super comfy and easy to wear, these might be your go-to. These sandals feature a 1.75-inch thick cushion that really feels like walking on clouds. They're designed with professional arch support, which can help relieve pressure on your feet and back after a workout. The traction on the sole is impressive, so you won't have to worry about slipping. Plus, they're versatile enough to pair with any casual outfit, whether you're running errands or heading to the beach. That said, some users found them a bit bulky for everyday wear. While they're fantastic for recovery, if you're looking for something more fitted and sleek, these might not be your best bet. However, if comfort is what you prioritize, they definitely deliver. This is perfect for you if you need a comfortable sandal that supports your feet after workouts. Skip this one if you want something more form-fitting. With the excellent cushioning and support, they offer great value for your money.
We've covered a fantastic range of options, from the Beskar foot massager roller for quick relief to Dr. Scholl's arch support sleeve for all-day wear, the stylish HKR walking shoes, the lightweight STQ loafers, and finally, the comfy Quailu recovery sandals. Each of these products brings something unique to the table, so think about what you need most and choose accordingly.